Imagine if you didn't have to get your phone out for every little thing. What if there was a simpler way to interact with your devices? Flick is a wireless button that connects to your iOS or Android device. So instead of going through your phone, you simply press the button. That's better. I use the Flick app to set it up, and then I can stick Flick wherever I want. I can even share this Flick with my roommate, so he can use it when I'm not around. But Flick isn't just for your house. You can stick your Flicks anywhere, like in your car or on your bike.
Head straight.
It's really cool.
Your destination is on the left.
And you can clip your Flicks. It's great for any situation where you need a quick and discreet shortcut.
Me.
Like now.
Me.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I have to take this. But Flick can be so much more than just a shortcut to your phone. It can be integrated with lots of different services beyond your devices. Check this one out. Take me home, Cabby. And when I get home, I want everything to just take care of itself. Shh! Movie's starting. Another great feature of Flick is that it can be used as a safety device. With just a push of a button, you can send live updates of your location or even a distress signal to your family and friends.
दोस्तों आप यहाँ देख रहे हैं कूल स्मार्ट गैजेट्स। तो इनमें से अगर कोई गैजेट आपको पसंद आता है तो मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर लिखिएगा और लाइक ज़रूर कीजिएगा, वीडियो को शेयर ज़रूर कीजिएगा।
We have developed the Flick app to be super simple to set up. Just open your app, press the button and select the function that you need. We also have an easy software development kit that allows other apps to work with Flick. We already have some amazing apps that will work with Flick already from the start.
And now we need your help to make this all happen. In order to bring Flick to the market and into your hands, we need to fund the tooling and certifications that are needed. In return for your contribution, we'll send you the very first Flicks ever made. Thank you for watching.
If you're looking for a seriously strong core, give yourself an edge with the new Edgeboard Core Strength Trainer from Modern Movement. Unlike traditional ab workout tools, the sleek new Edgeboard is a full-body extension trainer that offers dozens of ways to build your core and strengthen your arms and legs. And only Edgeboard comes with a free M-Track app that you can immediately download to get free digital trainer-led workouts to follow on your phone or TV. It's like having your own personal trainer, giving you the motivation you need for the results you want. The M-Track app also lets you customize your own workouts. Set the length of the workout and the exercises you want to focus on at the touch of the screen. The new Edgeboard is uniquely designed for activation with either your hands or feet and has curved wheels for arcing turns and non-linear extensions to engage and strengthen more of your muscles. Just grab on to do abdominal extensions and lateral push-ups, or step on for lunges, hamstring curls, atomic push-ups, pike-ups, and more. The new Edgeboard is solidly built with commercial-grade materials and features a patented edge brake to stop extensions, an enhanced traction deck for stability, plus a cushion knee pad, integrated grip bars, and a removable cradle to hold your smartphone in place while you work out. With its compact, portable design, the Edgeboard slips right into your gym bag, so you can work out anytime, anywhere. Whether you're an elite athlete or just getting started, Edgeboard and the free M-Track digital trainer app will take you to the level of core strength training you're striving for. Sync up, work out, get results. Edgeboard, the next generation of training.
The Jamstick Plus is the easiest way to learn how to play the guitar, period. The Jamstick is the complete guitar lesson system with apps for the iPad, iPhone, and Mac to help users learn how to play. The Jamstick is the only product that can see and show your fingers on screen to guide right from wrong. Let's strum all 6 strings, just like this. Okay, now you try. All right. Partnering with the developers Musopia, users can learn thousands of songs with the Jamstick Plus edition of the 4Chords app. The Jamstick Plus never needs tuning. It uses your iPad, iPhone, or Mac to generate sound, and it already works with more apps than we can keep track of. You can learn and practice on your terms with the Jamstick Plus. We've seen users start playing chords in minutes with the Jamstick, and its portability can turn just about any environment into a practice or lesson studio. And thanks to advancements with Bluetooth 4.0 technology, we equip the Jamstick Plus with wireless Bluetooth connectivity that works seamlessly with Apple's new Bluetooth MIDI software. The Jamstick Plus has the same real guitar strings and real frets just like the original to best match the experience of putting your fingers on a guitar. The Jamstick Plus works with your iPhone or iPad to get great musical performance out of apps like GarageBand, Loopy, and hundreds of others. The Jamstick Plus is also a great MIDI controller for your Mac. In Yosemite, you can play any sound available in Logic, Ableton Live, Pro Tools, and other DAWs.
If you're looking for a stronger core and better balance, step up to the next generation of training with the new M-Pad Balance and Strength Trainer from Modern Movement. The M-Pad transforms your workout into a dynamic, live gaming and training experience by syncing up with the free M-Track app so you can play, train, and measure results while you work out. Just download M-Track to your smartphone and choose a function mode. Play lets you enjoy interactive games while you work out. Train gives you exercises and movements and tracks them in real time. And Measure offers a full menu of instability tests that identify your strengths. Gauge your balance ability while tracking your progress from one workout to the next. When you're ready, place your phone in the built-in cradle and start moving. The M-Pad features 3 rubber base pads for multiple levels of balance and strength training. Start with one pad to build your confidence, then add more to increase your level of challenge as you progress.
फ्रेंड, अगर इनमें से कोई भी गैजेट आपको पसंद आए तो डिस्क्रिप्शन में मैंने इसका लिंक दे रखा है, आप वहां क्लिक करके अमेज़ॉन से परचेज कर सकते हैं। और जाते जाते हमारे चैनल को रेड बटन दबा के सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें, और अगर वीडियो पसंद आए तो इसे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों में शेयर करें।
Commercial grade materials, features a textured surface for better traction, collapses easily for storage, and is compact enough to slip into your gym bag or backpack, so you can train at home in front of the TV, from your stand-up desk at the office, or at the gym with weights. Sync up, work out, get results. M-Pad and M-Track, the next generation of training from Modern Movement.